There's 40 condominiums in this complex, and only this one has this special feature. I'm going to share it with you shortly. I'm at 40 Toni Lynn Court, Hammonton, New Jersey. Let's explore this one. What's great about this property is that it's not only on the end, but it's in proximity right adjacent, as a matter of fact, to the Hammonton Elementary School. Right over there is the Hammonton High School. Walk right there, Hammonton Middle School, just to the east. Got this awesome living room, slider out to the front, and good easy living here. You got 1,080 square feet, that's above grade. Got this huge kitchen, nice lookout here. Kids could play on the side yard. Condo fees, inclusive of the condo fee, is your water bill on this one. That makes it nice as well. You got a half bath here, door to the backyard, nice. Come up with to the upstairs. Got these very interesting solid oak stairs going up. It's got the open cleats, makes it extra nice. You got a full bath here, old school, but cool. This property is being sold as is. It's going to need a little work, but you'll understand why this one is a special one. This is the master bedroom. Got this excellent vantage point out to the courtyard here. Nobody's got this view, just you. And you get to walk out this way, and you can see that they're working on the pre-K school here. This is one of the jewels of Hammonton. You live right next door to it. And then rounding it out here is bedroom number 2. So you have a full bath up, you have a half bath down, and let me show you what's really different about this unit. This is the only unit in the entire Toni Lynn Court complex. By the way, the name of this development, this community, is Lenore Villas. It's right off of Fairview Avenue. This is the only unit that has a full basement. And not only is it a full basement, it's like a double full basement. So you're gonna need to fix it up a little bit, but you have all this space that you could make it your own. What the owner did to this property, which makes it really turnkey down here, especially this huge amount of masonry work. And that's the drain tile for a drain system. So he did this a few years ago. No water, as far as he reports, has impacted this property since. So you can see this was a massive job down here. But you have this large expanse, and guess what? Now you have more, another huge room. This could be the man cave, the she shed, the she cave, whatever you want it to be. You have a bath that's under construction. Remember, it is as is, but it's all fitted out for a bathroom down here. All you need to do is finish it off. This is one of the components of the sub pump system. All good. And then guess what? This unit keeps going and going and going. You got studded out rooms all the way to the back wall. This is all of your property. This is what is encompassing of Unit 40. No other unit comes close to this. No other unit has a basement like this. If you have an interest in this property, make sure you call the number above and you can make your appointment and come out and see it. If it's not the perfect property for you, make sure that you like or subscribe. And by subscribing, you're able to get all our new properties as they arrive. You could be one of the first people to see those properties. Gives you an advantage in the marketplace. 40 Toni Lynn Court, right in the heart of Hammonton, right where all the action is. And this one's a special one with the full basement. The seller took care of all the drain tile system. Make your appointment, get your inspections done. Buy this one today.